Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's KRIS here with Keeping Up with KRIS, and hey, it's been a minute. Yeah, I took a little break, but I am back to give you all your reviews and everything. So yeah, you can tell by, if you read the title, you know that this video is going to be another Boxycharm versus the Ipsy Glam Bag, and I'm super excited about it because I did get some really good products. I did open it this time because it's been a minute since I got this. So this is actually my July items. Y'all, I am so behind. Do not kill me, okay? Do not kill me in the comments. But yeah, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. But make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Really, make sure you do that because that helps me out greatly. We are now on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, okay, so we got to get there. Help get me there. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and yeah, we're gonna get to 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, let me jump right into it. So you guys know that I always start with my Boxycharm, so let me get out my info card. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And let's start at the top. So, the first item is the Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. So that's this. This is actually still in the packet. So even though I did open it, it is still, I didn't really look at anything like that. So that was still in the plastic. This is the Hydrating Complexion Trio by Olimar. And this is what it looks like. It still has the plastic on it. These are the 3 colors that they give you, and this retails at $25, and it says it adds depth, dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin with this complexion trio, which includes a sculpting powder designed to bronze and brighten your look, and it's talc free and formulated with hyaluronic acid for a hydrated and buttery smooth finish. So I'm excited to try that since I've gotten on this this contouring trend. Yeah, I'm obsessed, so I will definitely be trying out this product. So the next product that we got is the Billion Dollar Brows Brows on Point Micro Pencil. This is what the packaging looks like, and let me see what the color looks like. So this color, it says taupe. I don't know if that's going to be, it's a brow pencil, it's taupe. Like, what kind of color is that? Let me see. Oh, I guess it's just like a dark brown. So this is the color of the taupe. So I guess I could use this because I never really use like black. I always use like an ash or a dark brown, but I never use like stark black on my eyebrows. So this retails at $16, and it says, when precision matters, this Brows on Points micro brow pencil will help you get the look that you want. Okay, this precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want and can create hair-like strokes for natural looking eyebrows. Well, that's good to know. I'm definitely gonna try that out too, because I go through freaking eyebrow pencils like a bottle of water. Okay, so the next thing we got is the Lifestyle Co. Detox Hair Serum. So it's a nutrient plant scalp treatment. This retails at $79. This is the product. This is the packaging, and the product, oops, see, the product looks like this. Oh, it looks like this. It's actually like an elixir type thing, and it comes with a dropper. It says it's nourish and balance the scalp and hair with this hydrating elixir made from nutrient-dense plant oils such as argan and almond. This plant-based formula stimulates and soothes a dry and itchy scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, and leaves your hair shiny and soft. So I love trying scalp treatments because I do have dermatitis. So I will like to see how this would work on the sections of my hair where I have the seborrheic dermatitis. If anybody else has seborrheic dermatitis, let me know so we can share some secrets and tips and tricks. The next item is the MudMasky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Reduces dark circles. It has moisture boost, a vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. And this retails at $25. at $63. I'm sorry. This delicate skin, the delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, and we all know that is true, okay? Making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. This eye serum contains a blend of all natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin. So I'll let y'all know what I think about this, because I have some issues with these eyes, honey, okay? Issues. So the last item that I got, and I guess this sort of kind of opened a little bit, I don't know, but it's a Plumping liquid highlighter from Grande Glow. This is what the packaging looks like. And this retails at $25. This is a Plumping liquid highlighter infused with a rapid skin lifting system, then uplift to firm and tighten fine line. But I guess this has like two products in one. It's a lifting and it's a highlighter. You can't ever have too many highlighters, because I feel like even though you have one for one day, you know, the next day you might not really want that same type of glow. So those were all the ipsy that I got in the Boxycharm. So I put all the items back, and let's jump into the Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is the bag that it came in. I'm going to pour this out. So like y'all know, I don't get an info card with this. So, and once again, it came in two separate boxes, and I just put everything into the one bag. But so the first item we're going to look at is the Chella limited edition Divine Purpose eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging, and this is what the actual palette looks like. And these are the colors. So we have Pure, Authentic, Goddess in Training, Evolving, Mindful, Fulfilling, Passionate, and Honor. And these are all things that I live by, so I'm sure I'm going to love this palette. Some of those colors are a little bit bold for me, and I guess I don't ever really do a lot of shimmer, so it's good to have like a really good goldy shimmer like this Goddess in Training and Evolving for the fall. If you guys would be interested in seeing me do a chit chat, another chit chat, get ready with me, and using one of the eye palettes I have shown, please let me know and I will get that taken care of for you. So the next thing we got is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Now, I am gonna have to do a mask tonight, so I'm definitely gonna be using an eye mask. I might use one of these, but like I said, I don't have a price point on this, but they contain aloe juice, calendula extract, camel extract, hyaluronic acid, and it's actually a pack of them, so it's like 6 packs of them that I have in here to use. I think this is really pretty as well, and this is from the brand Wander Beauty. These are gold. All right, so the next item we got is this, whatever this is. So this is a Hipdot palette. So this is the Hipdot 4-shade, it's a Sun Goddess 4-shade face palette. You're a sun goddess, even if you haven't spent time in the sun lately. Create the ultimate sun-kissed look with these 4 highlight blush shades and a soft blendable formula. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super pretty. And these are the 4 colors. I'm definitely going to be using this one and this one for sure. For sure. So these are really, really pretty, and I love Hipdot. I've had Hipdot gotten Hipdot palettes in my Boxycharm, and I really, really like them. Like, they've become some of my fave palettes that I have and I use. So the next thing we got is the OUAI, I think I'm pronouncing this right, OUAI Scalp and Body Scrub. Now, y'all know I am a body scrub fiend, okay? So this is the product. Let's open it up. It smells really good, and they said you can use this on your scalp, and it does feel pretty grainy. This is what the product looks like. It's not a lot in here, but obviously it's a sample, but it smells really good. It actually smells like a perfume. So I also got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. I really need to go through some of my, this is the packaging, go through some of my face masks because I have a lot of them. So all the products that I got from my Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm going to link them below, and I'm going to put the price points on them, so you let me know what you guys like and what you guys currently use. So I can't tell you what it looks like or smells like, it's not opening, and I'm not going to use it yet, but I will let you know when I do. So I also got the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. This is the packaging. I am excited about this because I love stuff that has watermelon and hydrating in it, especially when I'm wearing makeup, because my face gets really like dried out. But I've not been having very good luck with primers lately, so I'm interested to see how this one is gonna work for me. Got a lot of products in this Ipsy Glam Bag. So we also got the Purlisse Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. So it gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, purifies and energizes, and it says it's for all skin types. So this also has watermelon and charcoal in it. So we also got the Studio Makeup High Define Brow Tint. This is the packaging, and it's in the color, what is the color? Dark, in the color dark. And this is what it, so I have a couple of products from Studio Makeup too. I have a like a skin tint that I actually really kind of like, and this is just this. It looks like this. And when I use this kind of product, I use it on top of my eyebrows after I've sort of kind of filled them in to give it just a little bit of a like a glossy tint. So I know I'll be using this for sure because I go through these pretty fast as well. So the next product we got is the Brow Chow from, oh, I guess the brand is Brow Chow, and it's the Ultra Fine Brow Definer in Deep Brunette. So your girl is pretty much good on the brow products, okay? This is what it looks like, and I love products that have this sort of slanted pencil, and it's retractable, so that's awesome. And then it has another end, oh, that has a brush. This is so cute. It has the little like brush like this. It's like, and it's very soft. That's super cute. Thank you, Brow Chow. So the last and final item that we got is the Murad Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. You know, they always say that you're supposed to wear sunscreen, so now I have a sample that I can use because I'm gonna go ahead and keep it funky. I'm not good at doing that, but I need to be. So this is a very cute little small sample size, and it says apply liberally to face, neck, and chest. I know they sell Murad at Sephora, so if I like it, I'll definitely be picking this up. So that was the last item that I had from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm. So to be completely frank with you, I do like getting both of the items, and so I've done this for a few months now, and so after this I will probably cancel one of them, and so I guess you guys will just have to see next month or maybe the month of September, because I think that my items for August are almost here, so I'll cancel one of them for the month starting in the month of September so that you guys can see which one I decided to roll with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like the video, comment on it, give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe, guys. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.